What's up YouTube, it's Louis here, I hope you're all well. We're looking at Bitcoin on the daily time frame. We are well aware of this descending triangle here, but we've also made it clear on the 4 hour time frame how this can actually become a W. Not only is it the descending triangle here like that, and this could be your M over here, and you got rejected there. Everyone's thinking no, it's invalid, but if you ever lose that line again, you validate this old M's technical target. As simple as that. And same here, we have a double bottom over here, but you failed to break out. You've got a neckline there, you've got smaller double bottoms. There's loads, guys. There's a double bottom here, with this being a neckline. You didn't break it. You could even say this is another double bottom neckline. Sorry about that, guys. But yeah, so this could be one. You failed to break out. You didn't even reach the neckline, never even played out. But again, if we ever break this in the future, like that, you validate this old W pounds target. Now, of course, for the moment, you can see yesterday we did lose the 1 fib level once again, but was there confirmation on this candle that we closed below the 1 fib level? No. On this one we did. Was it a significant break? Did we break it with a lot of momentum? Absolutely not. I want you guys to actually look at this on your chart when you're back testing. Look, this is a good example here. When you broke above, it wasn't a significant break. You came back to the EMAs. You held those EMAs with a higher low, the continuation moving average, meaning we should continue up. And then you did actually continue up. And then here, fake out. But guys, let's be real. This is a bearish pattern. This is meant to break down. Of course, we have attempted to, like, no extremely bullish signs, but we'll get into that in a second. But yeah, for the moment, we know if we're losing this 1 fib level, we're heading to the 1618. Which is something that we've said on the channel. If we lose 28.8, we're going to 27.7, because everyone's saying this is the low of last year, when in actual fact, this is the low of last year. So if we lose that, we're coming to that. And you can see our super overextended targets are down here before, like, a relief rally, before continuation down. Because yeah, I do think if we were to break below this, you'd end up, yeah, breaking below that, because this is a strong support than this is, and then that is. So if we're losing this, yeah, it's likely we're going to come to here, maybe get this bounce that fails to reclaim this level, then we continue lower and do something like that where it fails. Because after we meet this target down here around 26.5k, we need to come back up and reclaim 28.8k. And if that's not going to happen, then we'll continue rolling over and continue rolling over and rolling over. But one thing that I can say that is quite positive is that on the daily time frame, if we get over there now, on the daily time frame, you can actually see, yes, you can see the descending triangle. We're not idiots. But what else can we see? If we turn off all the drawings, we can see that we're overextended from these EMAs. Look at the last time you touched it, way back at the beginning of the month. So I'm not going to say, oh, exactly 1 month, the 5th of June, we're going to hit it. But yeah, usually around a month. Could be a bit less, but yeah, we're getting super overextended. You can see as we've been going sideways here, what's been happening. When we first entered here and we were at the bottom, we were right there. But, but that was too high. How do we drag this down? By going sideways. The longer this takes, the lower this will drag down, to just kiss it and then probably get rejected. However, just forgetting about the 20 EMA, something that we haven't tested in a long time. One that we haven't tested for an even longer period is the 55 EMA. Look at the last time we touched it, 21st of April. So well over a month now, guys. Well over a month since we touched this, a month and a week. So it's something that could potentially happen. Now, if I do still believe, like, who's in control? Completely the bears. So any pump is just going to be a fake pump, a lower high, as we've been constantly seeing. Even this over here is starting to look like this area, and you can see all you did was pump to the previous high before rejecting. So might just pump to the previous high before rejecting. That's in line with the 20. Again, the longer this takes, the 55 will drag down more. That could line up with these wicks over here. You pump up to it, you get a kiss, and you continue lower. That's something that we have to watch out, because remember, guys, I'm going to turn on the drawings, but remember, guys, as long as you're below the 200 EMA, you could come up all the way to it, which it currently is about 40k. You could pump to 40k tomorrow. You're still under the 200 EMA, which basically means that you would get rejected. So yeah, although we have this descending triangle right here, right now, there is potential for a pump to the upside, but please just remember this pump may only go to 30.5k or 34.5, a bit under 34.5, let's just call it 34 to play it safe, around 34k this pump, and you'd still be bearish technically, guys. So it's a long way to go. You need to actually break above 40,100 if you want me to say, yep, we're good to go up, because it's all about this 39k wick, guys. That is where we initially sold back in January, right there on this red candles when we sold. Now at first it was amazing, then it was like up here, I'm like, oh, should I have actually sold? But when I sold, I was like, I'd rather only invest my money when there's certainty in the market, and there was no certainty. No one knew what was going on. Still, people don't know what's going on, but we're lower than where we sold, so I am slowly buying again. I haven't gone all in, but I'm getting more money. I'm getting more coins for my money, even though it's the same amount of money. It's just because the value of the crypto has gone down. So yeah, I'm able to get more cryptos for the same amount of money, which is amazing. So guys, if you've enjoyed today's update, please like, subscribe and comment. If you're interested in the crypto packages that I offer, please just private message me on my Twitter. The link is down below. Check out the memberships. If you want to give to the channel, a super thanks would be very appreciated, guys, and motivating. And yeah, I'm going to have a holiday now. Monday going to Amsterdam for the week, so I'm literally going to relax. Probably, yeah, very little videos. I probably will record while I'm out there to post once I'm back. But yeah, there's not going to be too many updates, guys, because again, it's time for me to have my holiday. It's been too long. But yeah, perfect. I'll catch you in the next one. And as always, peace.